Practice set 3.2, question number 5, a star mark question given on page number 58. Though it is a star mark question, I don't find any star in the solution. Okay, because the intellectual value of the problem is very low, but the solution is very lengthy. Okay, so it does not fit to the weightage of any category. Okay, but still it is given. Let us discuss the solution. What is given? Two circles with centers A and B are touching each other externally at E. Line L touches both the circles with centers A and B at C and D respectively. The radii of two circles are 4 and 6. Obviously, smaller circle will have radius 4 and the larger radius 6. The question says, find length CD or distance between points C and D. We have done a construction. We have drawn segment AF perpendicular to segment BD. F lies between B and D. We have written F lies between B and D. The radius of the smaller circle is 4 centimeters. Therefore, distance AC will be 4 as well as AE will be 4 because both are the radii of the same circle. The radius of the larger circle is 6 centimeters. Therefore, distance BD and distance BE will be equal to 6 centimeters. Circles are touching each other externally, so these 3 points will be collinear by the theorem of touching circles. We have written by the theorem of touching circles, these 3 points are collinear. Therefore, AE plus BE will be equal to AB. We have written AB is equal to AE plus BE because the points are collinear. So, A is 4, B is 6, that comes out to be 10 centimeters. So, distance AB comes out to be 10 centimeters. Now, line L is touching both the circles. Therefore, this angle will be a right angle. This angle will also be a right angle. We have written angle ACD as well as angle BDC. Both will be right angles by tangent theorem. Angle AFD. This is a right angle. इधर right angle है तो इधर right angle बनेगा ही. There is no need to explain why. So in this quadrilateral AFDC, in quadrilateral, or it can go this way also, ACDF. In quadrilateral ACDF, 3 angles are right angles. So fourth क्या होगा? Right angle ही होगा. Therefore the quadrilateral is a rectangle. So we have written from 1 and 2, quadrilateral is a rectangle. And in the rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. Therefore FD is equal to AC. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. So FD will be equal to AC, but AC is 4, therefore FD will be 4. AC is 4, therefore FD is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. So we have calculated this as 4 centimeters. From here to here, this distance is 4 centimeters. Now total radius is 6, out of which this is 4, so this has to be 2. So we are writing that BF plus FD is equal to BD. BF plus FD is equal to BD. Put the values. BF we want to find out. FD we have calculated just now 4 centimeters. BD is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. So if you calculate BF by putting the values, 6 minus 4 will be equal to 2 centimeters. So this distance comes out to be 2 centimeters. Now you have a right triangle AFB. In triangle AFB, angle AFB is a right angle. By construction, we only drew that segment perpendicular to radius BD. Okay. And therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AF square plus BF square will be equal to hypotenuse AB square. Okay. Hypotenuse AB square. Put the values. AF we want to find out. What is the reason we want to find out AF? AF अगर मिल गई तो CD मिल जाएगी opposite side से ना rectangle की. तो to find out CD, we will try to calculate AF, and therefore we have applied Pythagoras theorem in triangle AFB. So AF square, BF we have calculated 2, so 2 square, AB is 10, so 10 square, 10 square is 100, 2 square is 400 minus 4 will be 96, AF square is 96, So AF will be root of 96. 96 can be written as 16 6. Okay. Square root of 16 is 4, so this is 4 root 6. So distance AF came out to be 4 root 6. But we know that CD is equal to AF, we have written. But CD is equal to AF, opposite sides of a rectangle. Okay, AF we have just now found, it is 4 root 6. Therefore, CD is also equal to 4 root 6. So that gives the length of segment C. Again I am reminding, the problem does not fit in the category of 2 marks. It does not fit in the category of 3 marks. 4 mark question has to be intelligent, but I don't find that this question can be asked in that category also. So it is given as a practice example. You can write the solution. Board, I don't know whether it has been asked or not.